It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2015 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Camaro. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power heated side mirrors, door storage, the power trunk release, and you'll notice it comes with a Boston premium audio system. To the left are the automatic headlamp controls, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat, black leather interior with SS embroidery in the headrests. Next, I'll hop in. We'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has the cruise control buttons, and on the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using that menu button to the left of the steering wheel. Overhead are some lighting controls and dials. Next is our infotainment screen. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's equipped with navigation. It also has our Bluetooth functions, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Just below the infotainment screen are the climate control buttons, including air conditioning, heated front seats, some temperature gauges, traction control, dual cup holders, and the head-up display button is to the right of the steering wheel. At the front of the Camaro, we have fog lights, 20-inch wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood, heated side mirrors, keyless entry, remote start, and as we make our way to the back, the power trunk. I'm going to use the key fob, holding that button down to pop that trunk open. In the trunk here, we have plenty of cargo storage space. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 4-passenger car. We're able to move the seat forward by using the seat release on the back of the seat, rubber floor mats on the floor, and leather seating for 2. So come take a look at the 2015 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.